Hi everyone, have a nice algebraic equation here to solve. So what is the value for x here in this? So let's see. Whenever you have this, what we can do is just subtract both sides by x. So what do we get? We get x over 2 minus x is equal to x minus x will become 0. And now you have this. So let's solve for that. So x over 2 minus x, and here it's times 1, so 1 is equal to 2. We can write it as 2 over 2, which is equal to 0. Now when you have same denominators, you can easily subtract them. So you have x minus 2x over 2 is equal to 0. And that x minus 2x is equal to negative x over 2 is equal to 0. Then we have negative x is equal to 0. And then when you want to remove this negative sign, just divide both sides by negative 1. So you will have x, this and this gets cancelled. So x is equal to 0. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.